Okay, now we got it. 1364.
Zippin'. Who do you want to be? Yeah, still got it hooked in there.
Brad Pitt.
Zippin' Brad Pitt.
That'll do it.
All right, have fun.
All right. Yeah!
Woohoo! We got it going, baby! Here we go now! Woohoo! Awesome! Yeah, baby!
In there, honey. Brad, what do I do?
Just point.
Go ahead. What do I do? Anything?
Still going, nothing.
Oh,
We're gonna move over this way. You wanna go back out there?
Yeah.
We'll go do the extended short.
I'm ready. I'll hang out for a while.
What'd you think, Brad?